I just got to Walmart. We are going camping tomorrow for the first time ever as a family of 5. So let's run inside, go get some stuff. And also, yes, this is a solo trip. Kennedy is down for the night already, and Carla is hanging out with Gray and Dexter, having some boy time. Listen, you never know. We're gonna be hiking. The gloves are, believe it or not, for cooking. This is the face wash thing I was telling you about. This is the one, the new one. This is Walmart's brand of the old one of that. I love it. Okay, I found an ice cube tray with a little bucket, and what else do we got here? I've got a can opener, a couple of cooking utensils, and a measuring cup. I've been loving cast iron, and this one's like flat, and you could do it grill pan or flat. I might get this. Oh. All right, what's the cheapest coffee maker? This one's really pretty, but I'm not paying $60. All right, you're in the right section. This one is only $20, so we're gonna go with this one. All right, who is making microwavable donuts? Make warm donuts in under 2 minutes in your microwave. I mean, is there a recipe? There is. From what? All right, well, I mean, I'm not gonna do that, but I'm glad that I know that I can now, you know? Do I need a toaster? It was only like $14. All right, I got some hand soaps. I wanna get a couple of new toys for Kennedy, you know, something exciting, new. Kennedy's been loving these kind of puzzles. She's been loving dolls. I think I'm gonna get her one of these dolls and a little carrier. I take that back. I'm gonna get her this. She's been loving playing with the little doctor kit at my mom's house. So I think she's gonna love that. This is a sippy cup Kennedy loves, but she's been biting through this. And now I'm seeing this. This one's bite resistant. These are also only $1, so I'm gonna get one of these to try. Might get Kennedy a couple little ducks too, just to play with. Desitin and some shampoo and conditioner. Yep. Listen, you can never be too prepared, okay? Something for Grayson. Okay, now that we got all that, just need to get some food and then we're good. Look how adorable this is. It's a sign that we need to have a third. Who said that? Wait a minute, what is this? I think those are mini hot sauces. Wait, $1 sauces. I mean, all right, I need to get back to my list. I do not need a miniature hot sauce. Okay, Carl requested unsweetened tea. All right, body armor for me, but how am I gonna reach back there? I had to use a box to get it down. Perfect. Kennedy's juice. Thinking one of these to put in the fridge. Some wipes. Dawn, where are you, girlfriend? That's the one I like. You know what? I'm gonna get the big one, let's be honest. Okay, next is really important. We need to try and find Kennedy's muffin tops because I have not been able to find them in like a month. Come on, muffin tops, muffin tops. Wait a minute, they would be over here. Oh no. Listen, they're coming home with me, all right? There's plenty here. There's plenty here for everyone, okay? But my kid is on a strict chocolate chip muffin diet, and I'm all out. All right, maybe that was a little bit too much. I put 2 back. I'm getting 3 though. I mean, I'm making chili tomorrow night, and I'm thinking my chili seasoning would be right about here. Oh, okay. I have some though. I'm gonna leave those for someone else. Or should I get them? No, I'm gonna be nice. I'm gonna leave them. I don't see the chili mix that I normally get, but I mean, this is here, so I guess I'll get this. Wait a minute. This one says original. I'll get this one. Hold the phone. I'm gonna get this. Save money. We're all about efficiency here. Oh, wait a minute. Do I need that? Okay, but on a serious note, have y'all seen Water Talk? I don't think I would like those, but I just keep seeing them everywhere. Okay. I just need some regular corn. There's so much going on here. Got some black beans and red beans. I only really need a few other things. Honestly, for dinner the following night, I might just get Hamburger Helper. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. That'll be easy. I love chips and salsa, which I would say that's the next thing on the list. I really need to find the tortilla chips because I'm also gonna have those with the chili. Oh, do I want popcorn? Wait, that one's actually really good. I have not had that since college, but apparently that one's good too. I literally can't, I can't decide on a popcorn, so I think I'm just getting none. I'm heading back to the popcorn. Oof. I might just get these. It's a big box though. I'm gonna get this one. All right. snacks. Like these. Someone remind me to get tortilla chips. Wait a minute, they've got the thin ones. Okay, these ones are so good. They remind me of the ones that Chili's has. Like, they're just so thin and crispy. And I probably just broke just about every single one in that bag just now. I'm wrapping it back around with tortilla chips because I just realized we're going to have salsa and chips one night, but we're going to be having chili with chips another, so I need another bag. Okay, that's new. There's a lot of flavors. Hold on, there's a lot going on here. There's a lot to unpack here. I've never seen these. The lime I feel like are OG. I don't think I'm going to do scoops. I think I'm actually going to get these. I have not had these in a very long time. Oh, now what are you? What is the... Okay, that could go one of two ways. That could either be really good or not good. So I'm just not gonna get that. I gotta get out of the chips aisle. This is like too much for me. I need to leave. I don't need it. I need it. No, I don't. Ooh, but I see bug spray. Is that bug spray? Okay, we're coming up on groceries, so I gotta skedaddle here once I get started on the cold stuff. Cheese. Kennedy is back into French toast. What? Do I need a cheesecake sampler? Now, what if we become friends with the people next to us? Should I get a pie? Are those good? I feel like everyone's talking about those. I've never had them. Yep. For me, but also Kennedy loves it. She's just like her mom. Looky there. We already have some bacon. A treat for Kennedy. Carl requested some frozen berries. They don't have the raspberries, so I think I'm gonna get him this. I normally wouldn't get this for myself because I don't like blackberries, but he does. I'm exhausted. The last thing on the list is chicken tenders of some sort. Alright, got those tortillas. I'm gonna get some chicken tenders now. That way when I get in, Carl and I can have some chicken snap wraps. Snap wraps? Oh yeah, here we go. I think these are new. What is this? The nuggets are for Kennedy in case she... I don't know. Wait, what flavor is this? This car is so heavy. Alright, I'm done. Carl just texted me and he was like, "Are you okay?" I didn't realize, but it's 9:30. Y'all don't even want to know how much I just spent. I just spent $400 in Walmart. But you know what? That's cheaper than going to Disney World. You know? It's still cheaper than Disney World.